Hey, hello guys, welcome back to Zhejiang Tongli Heavy Machine channel. My name is Richard. So in this video, I'm going to introduce about the cyclone preheaters. Okay, so because this one is our earliest cement production line, therefore it is a single cyclone. But now time the cyclone preheaters we adopt double cyclones. There's a C1A and C1B. There's two pairs. Therefore to increase the productivity or the capacities. And then after the raw materials are being ground and then mixed, it will enter as a preheater for preheating. And then in the past, the discharging gas temperatures around 340. But nowadays, we are able to make it into 300, which the thermal efficiencies are improved by 1/3. So yeah, basically this is the cyclone preheaters. It has 5 stages, and then you can see on the side you can see this is the bucket elevators that goes all the way up to the top of the cyclone preheaters. So yeah, thank you guys. I introduced about other part of the equipment. Thank you guys.